Let's take a look at what you're already working with in the iOS project and what you'll be updating. Open the iOS application. You should see an empty table view right away. Tap the plus button in the upper right-hand corner. Right away, tap any emoji you want. It should show up right in the main field of the app like so. After you confirm the emoji you want to add, tap the Save button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, and watch the magic happen. Wait, what's going on? It tells you that you need to implement the add function. Well, it seems like that should be a focal point for this part of the course. But what if we try the refresh button at the top of the app? Same thing, you need to implement another function to get this working the way it should. Let's take a look at journalentry.swift. You should already be somewhat familiar with this file, solely based on your work that you already completed with the Kitura server. You're going to work with this very same file in the mobile app. Here's the super cool part. When you use Kitura Kit, you won't have to change anything with your model object file either. Because the object conforms to the Codable protocol, Kitura Kit will take the object you're working with and take care of the rest for you. I might have been wrong about working with JSON in the last part, but I can personally guarantee you that you won't touch it in this part. Okay, let's not wait any further. Let's dive in and get started with upgrading Emoji Journal on mobile.